In just a few moments, the library doors in front of you will be opening. Please stand back from the doors as they will be opening toward you. Thank you.
The night started there, but some of this clearly looks like this is all the or like but then other parts you can see where like you've got dust that's clearly got
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
The bill scared me because of the 17% gratitude. That's very
We made it through the mysteries.
He's such a champion.
Wow, that was a good time.
Yeah, you got time and good time.
That was good.
That's still quite a line right there.
Yeah, that was another 15 minutes here.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you. Estimados huéspedes.
Cool. Well, almost got a perfect seating. Dead center.
Awesome. All right, now rows 5 and 6. Your first, let me see you tug your yellow straps on your right side. Perfect. And now, row 4. Perfect. All right, row 2, let me see you tug your yellow straps. Awesome. And row 1. And everyone, let me see those hands in the air all the way up.
Wait, but you just don't care.
I have it around the leg.
Still cannot remember. Welcome to the stop picture at the top. When you're at the all you gotta do is stay back. And then we're going.
You were the passengers of your elevator, about to ascend into your very own episode. The Twilight Zone.
Yeah. Sitting there. Already, are we doing it? I have. If I remember how
stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into the night. That door is opening once again. This time, it's
Don't go out there. Don't do it. That's how you do it. No. Yeah.
You were about to discover what lies beyond this dimension. You're in the deepest, darkest corner of imagination. In the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident.
That's what I was
Twilight
looking for. It's like that thing is it. We gonna go get it. I like that it shoots.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator
I think we
door.
lost somebody.
We trust you step to Hollywood Tower Hotel.
Oh, there I am. Okay.